Hello, Magee parents. Welcome to my open house video. My name is Chris Hensley. I'm a Magee PE teacher. I've been at Magee for 10 years and with the district for 14. Ms. Hassey is the other PE teacher. We work closely together. We're trying to get through this with the as best we can, being online PE, giving the kids 30 minutes of exercise at least, and trying to give them some little information bits and little ideas for workouts and principles, etc. I'm going to show you my Onenote page that's going to have all the information the kids are going to be using. This page has information right here where they link into my Zoom. It has my contact information. You'll have my email, and then you can sign up for my Remind. It has the information right here on this page. This OneNote is accessible from the Magee website through staff link, and you can get there if you're the student or the parent. It has the Magee schedule on here, so they can check their schedule and they know what time period starting on each day. It has a little bit about me. It has motivation stuff. It has a parent letter that you might want to look at. It has lots of the details about the class, about what we're doing. You can go through that there. Our daily learning is what we do each day. So we have an everyday thing, which is the 30 minutes of exercise. It goes over in detail there. And then each day we have workouts. We have different stuff planned for them and things that they're doing, and that will all be here. After we've gone through those, I put those into the archived daily learning so that they can still look back and see those if they'd like to. And we have a PE resources page with lots of different links for options of workouts. They have some health links. They have relaxation, different types of relaxation links. These are great little links if they're getting a little stressed out. And some other ideas back down there. So those are all stuff for our resources. I have my Roadrunner Pride page, which talks about preparation, respect, integrity, discipline, and effort. It's the Pride. We have our norms page, which I went over. It's a little slideshow that I went over with all the classes to talk about our norms. That's the basics of what's in my OneNote. Again, that is accessible through Magee website, tusd1.org/Magee, and you can go to the staff, faculty, and then pick out whatever teacher, and every single teacher's OneNote will be linked there. You'll be able to get in there and see all the other teachers' information under theirs as well. Again, we're really happy to be having PE now and being in school as much as we can. We're hoping school starts for real, but for now we have this, and we're doing the best we can, trying to get the kids active. They're doing 30 minutes of activity every day, every class, I should say. So that's 3 times a week. If they can do more, that'd be great. But for right now, that's what we're trying to do. We might be expanding and adding more things as we go along. If you have any questions for me, please come to the open session of office hours during this open house. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.